Do you want to earn some cryptocurrency without spending a single dime? Well, it is indeed possible. In fact, some crypto enthusiasts have earned some life changing money by hunting down the hottest free crypto airdrops. So, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 high potential free to farm airdrops that could make $10,000 or more. Don't mid curve it. Airdrops make money. The first crypto airdrop happened all the way back in 2014 when Iceland actually gave out 31.8 Aurora coin to residents, and they became eligible by simply registering to do it. Airdrop farming has changed a little bit these days, and let me get this out of the way. Not all airdrops will be lucrative. I won't sugarcoat it. Some are going to be just a giant waste of your time and energy, and you're going to get crap all. However, some can and do give serious money. For example, one of the largest airdrops in history was given out by Uniswap. Eligible users were able to collect 400 Uni tokens, base case minimum. A lot of people got a lot more by using Uniswap on the regular, but all they had to do was use Uniswap before September 1st, 2020. That was worth around $18,000 at the token's all-time high. But why do crypto projects do this? Well, for one, it creates a lot of buzz. It creates a lot of interest. It's great marketing. Free money given out to people, great marketing, create a whole huge community of users. So instead of paying endorsers or big advertising firms, developers just rely on the community to create brand awareness, and you create community by giving people those tokens, giving them a stake in what you have. It also lets developers test the project before launching on mainnet, or maybe you're already on mainnet, but lets you work out some of the mainnet bugs. So you could say that early users are actually testers, and airdropped tokens are kind of like compensation for being a tester of that software. So stay with me for the next few minutes as we explore some interesting projects that might drop some free ka-ching onto your lap. There's 5 of them, so make sure to stay with me until the end because they're all potentially high-value airdrops. Please note, no one has paid us to be featured here in this video. The information is provided to you for free for your educational purposes. This is not a recommendation for you to go out and buy, sell, or hold any of the coins that are being discussed, even though none of them are actually on the market yet. Still, just for completeness. Also, I'm an investor in some of the protocols being discussed here today. For full portfolio disclosures, please see the link in the description or the pinned comment on X where you can see my full crypto portfolio as well as all my venture investments. Let's get into it. Number 1, our first stop, Nyan Heroes. If you like shooting games and you like cats and you like mechs, then this might be for you, baby. And even if you don't like any of that stuff and you still like to get free money, well, it's super easy to farm some meow points, which will be the basis for the airdrop in the future. The more you have, the better chance you have of getting some NYN tokens. First things first, you need an X account and a Solana-based wallet like Phantom. You might probably already have those 2 things, but if you don't have those 2 things, well, you're going to need to go get them. Then go to the project site. I'll leave a link below for easy access. Actually, the links for everything we are discussing today you'll find in the description. By the way, for Nyan Heroes, remember to enter the code that's next to the link. Thank you. So what you need to do is to complete some missions to earn some meow points. And you need to connect your X account to start. Then it will give you several different missions to complete. Some of them are time sensitive, so you need to pay close attention if you want to be able to earn the maximum amount of coins possible. The easiest one, of course, is just following the project's social media platforms like on X and on Instagram. You can also connect your Solana wallet to earn additional points. There are a lot of different missions and different ways to earn points. And the more that you complete, of course, the more points that you're going to collect, the more airdrop you're going to get. The project has some pretty gosh darn good investors behind it and some big partners. This includes venture capital firms such as Mechanism Capital, Infinity Ventures, Infinity Global Capital, and Jump Capital. Has also partnered with some pretty big names in the gaming space like Epic Games and their 180 million customers. Of course, that's the company behind Fortnite. So check it out. Gaming airdrops can be pretty good. The second one here is Lava Network, a decentralized RPC network for blockchains, which is super nerdy. Now, if you're a heavy user of self-custody wallets like MetaMask, then you might have customized the RPC before. Using Lava Network's RPC endpoints will allow you to earn points for the airdrop. Now, we don't need to deep dive into how RPC works or any of that kind of stuff, but in case you're just curious, RPC means remote procedure call. It allows wallets to communicate with the blockchain network and to perform actions like sending transactions or checking your balances. So to get a chance for the airdrop, it's actually a really easy one. You just have to go to the Lava Network's site, which again, down below, click on Start Earning Points button using the link in the description. You should just have this actually auto-populate to get an invite code. Now, once you get in, just connect your wallet like a MetaMask or a Trust wallet. Once that is done, just go and customize the RPC and use the wallet as you would normally use it and start earning points. The cool thing about this is you don't have to do anything like special or whatever after changing over the RPC. It just does it in the background for you. Earn points just by doing the things you'd normally do on chain. And that includes stuff like checking balances. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide on how to actually set that RPC up, in case you're getting a bit confused, the process, there's also a link down below for that. Now, this could be a very high potential airdrop, again, as it's backed by all these big guys, Jump Capital, Hashkey, Tribe. They've injected $15 million into a seed round, so check it out. Now, let me interrupt the flow real quick to let you know about the best damn newsletter, the best in the crypto game. That's my newsletter. Of course it is. It's called Wealth Mastery. Every week we bring you the latest, hottest, best money-making insights on airdrops, weekly airdrop alpha, huge airdrop alpha in the newsletter. We do altcoin deep dives, altcoin news, altcoin alpha, NFTs, NFT mints, technical analysis, and much, much more. Join 110,000 plus weekly readers. You can sign up for free. Link in the description. Check it out. So next up, do you want to earn some airdrop points by simply doing some basic stuff on X and Twitter? Yeah, you probably do. It's pretty easy to do. If yes, then you should go check out Param Labs. This is a high potential gaming ecosystem coming out pretty gosh darn soon. That's why they're doing an airdrop right now. Gaming airdrops have seen some pretty big wins. Again, I want to reiterate that because we've seen some huge ones in the past. To get started, you need to register with an email and a wallet. You earn points by following recommended X accounts and by reposting and liking their posts. If you're on X all day anyway, then you might as well earn some money from it, right? We all know that hype and we all know that community are some of the key ingredients for a project to succeed. So the project has now surpassed 1 million users in just a few weeks of this campaign going live. Param Labs is also backed by a powerhouse in the Web3 space, Animoca Brands, which has been behind some of the biggest gaming crypto coins. Now, the first 3 drops were social tasks and a simple RPC hookup. The next 2 are actually test nets. So, did you miss making a boatload of cash on Ethereum layer 2s like Arbitrum or Optimism when they had their airdrops back in the day? Well, then you might want to grab some airdrop points from these promising Ethereum layer 2 networks, particularly the first one, which is called Taiko. Just like the other layer 2s, its aim, of course, is to speed up the network while trying to lower gas fees by using zero knowledge execution environment, or ZKEVM. There are a couple ways to earn points here. All pretty easy stuff. Again, free. It's a test net. The first, of course, is by testing the chain. Like most test nets, you need to have a MetaMask or like a Rabbi wallet or something. Rabbi wallet, not Rabbi, like the Jewish priests do. Rabbi wallet, like the rabbit. You also need to hook up the testnet accounts to your wallet to get some test tokens from faucets. Then use the bridging feature or swap some tokens. Do it repeatedly. If you're active in DeFi transactions, then this should all be a walk in the park for you. But if you want a more detailed instruction on how to actually do this, then you can follow Taiko's guide that they actually wrote on this. Again, I'll leave a link down below where you can check that out. If testing the Taiko network is too complicated, then you can also do the Galaxy task, GALXE, to earn some extra points. At the moment, there is a campaign on with OKX and BlazePay. Basically, earn points simply by following accounts on X, becoming a Discord member. Again, simple social task stuff. This one could be worth looking at. The project already has raised $37 million in 3 different funding rounds. Ethereum Layer 2 has been a hot topic. We have big investors like OKX and Ventures, Lightspeed, Hashed. So possibly worth having on your radar for their free testnet and free Galaxy campaign. And last but not least is Berachain. a new DeFi focused blockchain network compatible again with Ethereum virtual machines. You can participate in testing the network by doing some really simple stuff, just connecting your wallet over to the Berachain network and getting yourself some testnet tokens from the faucets. They make it super, super easy compared to other testnets to actually go and test out their applications. Then you go and use the apps that are listed on the website. You do swaps, you do perpetual trades, you do lending, you vote in governance, all that stuff. You do it regularly. Remember, it's all free to do. It's the testnet. Or if you want more points to have a better chance of getting some airdrops, well, then you can go again and do their Galaxy campaign by using Galaxy's campaign. You can also earn points just by, again, simply visiting sites or by following different accounts on X, stuff like that. Really easy tasks to do to get yourself in the position for an airdrop. And of course, as always with airdrops, nothing is guaranteed. And what you get in the end might be worth next to nothing. And that equally applies really to all of the airdrops, not just Berachain, but everything we've mentioned here. But you might also hit it big with one of these and make hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And of course, with Berachain, look, if you like bears, you like honey, you like both, then this could be a project that you might want to spend some more time and pay some attention to. But there's also another good reason why Berachain could be a good idea to try and get as many of those airdrop points as possible. The project has already raised $42 million in funding rounds at a $420 million valuation. Investors include big names like Polychain Capital, as well as other venture capital firms like Hack VC and DAO5. As they say, follow the money. Now, before we end the video, some important final notes. You have to remember that airdrops and their monetary value are never guaranteed. I know I've mentioned this a couple times. It's really important to reiterate to you. No counting of the chickens before the eggs are hatched, okay? So no lambles until you actually cash out whatever airdrop you might get. However, some tasks are so simple that you might as well just do it, because why the heck not? If it gets you a chance to get some free money by doing a few clicks, hey, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Think of it like doing a raffle. The more tickets you get, or in our case, airdrop points, the more chance of winning. Thanks for watching.